Are you a creator? Are you a coach? Or even an entrepreneur struggling to sell your digital product, manage lead, or even automate your business? Stop scrolling because this video is actually for you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a platform that does all of this in just one place. It is called Serlzo. I've been using it for a while, and trust me, this is just more than a tool. Serlzo is just like having your whole marketing team in just your pockets. It's not something you want to miss, guys. The question is, what exactly is Serlzo? Serlzo is an all-in-one, platform that helps you capture lead, sell digital product, follow up with customers, and even close deals automatically. Think of it as your digital store, your landing page builder, your sales assistant, your WhatsApp marketer, all in one clean dashboard, guys. And I know that as a digital marketer, the most important part in running an ad is the follow-up and nurturing. Now, Serlzo helps you to automate this whole process to make sure that every lead that is generated by your ad is not being wasted. The deal is closed automatically. Yes, there's a lot of things Serlzo can actually help you do. You can actually build your landing page without having any coding knowledge. You can sell your digital product, like I said. You can send bulk SMS, bulk emails, to your list. You can do a lot here just from one clean dashboard. It has this automated WhatsApp follow-up, built-in template, and also for email and SMS. So with Serlzo, you no longer need 5 different apps anymore. Whether you're selling, a service package, you're selling digital product, like ebook courses, etc. You just need Serlzo to do all of those things just one place. I personally love Serlzo because of the time it saves. You don't need to chase lead anymore, and AI does all the whole follow-up for you, and of course it will improve your sales. So if you are tired of doing all these things manually, switching between apps, missing lead and all of that, check the link below and sign up for free. And for more educative content like this, please hit on the subscribe button, guys.